What if visitors on your website could get instant answers to their questions? Even when your team is not available, they could ask about your products, services, pricing policies, or anything related to your business and get an instant response from an AI assistant. And the best part is, this AI assistant can be trained using your business knowledge base. So it can respond according to the information of your business instead of relying on general AI knowledge. So in this video, I will show you how you can add a WhatsApp AI assistant to your website within few minutes without building a complicated integration or writing the entire system from scratch. And here's the result we are going to create. So as you can see, this AI assistant is already available on this website. And visitors can use it to start the conversation automatically. And right here, as you will select the start chat, we are landing to our WhatsApp where this initial message is already here, that is I need help, which I'm going to send to my AI assistant, and we will be getting the response soon. And right here you can see that I'm getting the response as I have entered this message. And now here I'm going to enter a random question and we will see whether we get the response of that particular question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is what type of properties does Heaven Stone Realty offers, as I have created this AI assistant for my real estate business. And here you can see that I have integrated this AI assistant over my website. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question to see the working of this AI assistant. So right here I'm going to enter this another question, that is do you provide properties for investment? Now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. And now you might be thinking how this is responding according to my business details. So it is doing so because I have provided it the knowledge base, basically a document containing the details of our business. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base which I have created for my real estate company named as Heaven Stone Realty. And this consists of all the details of my business. So now you can alter this knowledge base and can create an embed AI assistant to your website. You just have to alter the knowledge base you are creating according to your business details so that your AI assistant can fetch the data from this knowledge base, and according to it, it is going to respond to your customer queries. So now your customers don't have to rely on manual replies, as they will be getting the instant response as they will visit the website and start the chat with this AI assistant. So now in this video, we are going to focus on how this AI assistant can be embedded to whatever website you are running, whether you're running any travel agency, any real estate company, any service-based business, or any other business. And for creating this AI assistant, today we are going to use an amazing automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow let you create AI assistant, WhatsApp chatbots, campaigns, and other WhatsApp automation flows without complicated coding. But for this tutorial, we will specifically focus on the AI assistant feature. So let's get started. And for creating this AI assistant, you have to move towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here, I'm on the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. And for accessing this page, you have to type its URL over the new tab. That is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you the free trial, so you can explore Pabbly Chatflow for freely right now. And you can also create this AI assistant and test it for your website by using this free trial. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And after trying Pabbly Chatflow, if you like it and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you. That is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly products. And now let's move on towards my AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And right here, I have created this AI assistant by selecting the instruction type as AI agent. And right here, we are getting all these instructions. And here I have selected the AI to use and its model. And I have connected this API key so that my OpenAI can respond to my customer queries. And from here you can even manage the AI assistant settings as well. And in this knowledge source, I have provided the knowledge base of my business, that is for the knowledge base for Heavenstone Reality, according to which my AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries. So basically in this tab I have provided the brain to my AI assistant, and from this tab of the assistant interface I have provided the heading name, that is Heavenstone Reality, the subheading name and the initial message too. And from here you can check out some more settings, that is for the display the powered by Pabbly label, footer text, footer link and the user's first message. And now from this tab, that is the styling tab, you can customize the visual appearance of your AI assistant by selecting the theme mode, assistant shape, and from here you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And here you can provide these profiles such as header profile picture, assistant profile picture, background picture. And right here I have already provided this header profile picture, and afterwards you just have to enable this AI assistant and click over the save AI assistant button for saving it. And here you can see that my AI assistant has been saved successfully. And now let's move on towards the main part of this video, that is embedding AI assistant. So for embedding this AI assistant to your website, you just have to select this embed button. And here Pabbly Chatflow provides you the code required to add this AI assistant to your website. And this is what makes the process so simple. You don't have to manually build the chat interface again, and you don't have to create another AI assistant. You simply need to copy this code provided. So I'm going to copy the embedded code from here. And now let's move on towards the website which I'm going to use for the demonstration. So right here you can see that I'm on my website where you cannot see this AI assistant. Now let's move on towards the code of this website. So inside this website code, I'm going to locate the JavaScript section. And here I'm going to simply paste the code which I have just received. And now there's no need to build anything else. And now let's save it and see the result. So here I have added the code which I have just received from Pabbly Chatflow to my core of the website. And now again here I'm on my website which I'm going to just refresh, and here you can see the changes that we are getting the AI assistant which I have created over my Pabbly Chatflow. So with just a simple copy and paste, we have connected our business specific AI assistant to the website. And now let's see what happens from a visitor's perspective. So when a visitor clicks on the Start Chat button, they are taken directly to the WhatsApp, where they can communicate with this AI assistant. They can ask their questions naturally instead of searching through multiple pages on the website. So that's why this AI assistant is going to be very useful for your business, because it is going to help your customers to get the answer of their queries in just a few seconds with just one click. And it is going to be very useful for business, because imagine someone visiting your website late at night and having a question about your pricing, services, products, etc. So instead of waiting for someone from your team to respond, they can simply start a conversation with this AI assistant. And because this AI assistant is trained with your knowledge base, it can respond using the information you have provided. So this knowledge base is going to play the major role for providing your business information. As for example, you have seen that this AI assistant is responding according to my real estate business. So that's how you can add a business specific AI assistant in your website using Pabbly Chatflow without creating the complete automation from scratch and requiring any coding or technical skills. So this entire process is quite simple. Create your AI assistant, add your knowledge base, enable it, copy the embedded code, and paste it into your website. That's it. So you can also try Pabbly Chatflow for creating automations like this. And if you want to learn the entire process of creating the AI assistant from scratch, then go and check the video given on the description, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, because that's going to provide you the most heaviest discount ever. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.